Tina.
I'm Ross.
And today we have some Kit Kats all the way from Japan. So I had a coworker that visited Japan and she brought back different flavors of Kit Kats for everyone to share. So we're going to give these all a try. I don't think I've tried any of these flavors before. Have you?
Okay, so it looks like we have milk tea, hazelnut, lemon, orange, strawberry, and coffee flavored. And I don't think I've had any of these. I think the most exotic ones I had was matcha.
Matcha. Yeah, we have seen the matcha in Cost Plus World Market.
Yes.
In their Japanese Kit Kat section. So I'm looking forward to trying these different flavors. I know you're the bigger Kit Kat fan compared to me.
I am.
I'll eat them, but it's not usually my go-to candy bar. But I am looking forward to trying these different flavors. I'm trying to decide which order to do these in. I don't know.
You want to go by color? Lighter?
Well, I think first off, let's try the milk tea. That sounds like it would be really mild.
Okay.
And they are the perfect size, I think, for the two of us. One for you, one for me.
Give me a break. Give me a break. Boop. I like that.
Yeah, the outside of it seems like it has a bit of the milk tea flavor into it. I'm guessing in a white chocolate looks like.
Which you are not a fan of. But you don't mind this?
It's not too bad with the flavor. I'm realizing that I like white chocolate more as a flavoring. Like we've had some white chocolate that had strawberry flavoring that I really liked. But just straight white chocolate isn't one of my favorite chocolates. I wouldn't even consider it a chocolate.
You consider it sweet and fat.
Yeah,
basically. Pretty
much, which I think is what it is. Yeah, so that was not bad. Next, this says salt lemon. Is what they're calling this one.
Okay, yeah, my mistake. I thought it was just plain lemon.
Yeah, I just saw salt lemon. It looks like it could be another white chocolate.
Thank you.
Boop. Ooh, I smell the lemon flavor already.
It smells fantastic. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, for white chocolate, I like a little bit more of that zing of the lemon.
Yeah.
It's more flavorful.
Isn't it slightly salty too?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was not as sweet as the first one we had.
Yeah, and every once in a while you take a bite into certain areas and it seems like a little bit of that salty flavor comes through.
Yeah.
Interesting that they have a salt lemon. That's something I've never seen before.
Agreed.
All right, are we ready for the next one?
Yes.
I don't see... Oh yeah, it just says chocolate orange. First I thought it didn't have any English on it, but I did see it down at the bottom.
Curious if this is going to be
the typical chocolate orange flavor we're used to.
No, the Terry's chocolate orange.
Yeah, because this one actually looks like
milk
chocolate rather than the white chocolate.
Thank you. Boop.
Smell the orange.
I think the salted lemon one had a stronger scent.
It did, yeah. When we opened that up, I could really smell that lemon.
This is nice.
Smelled the orange a little bit.
Yeah.
But I have to admit, I do like the milk chocolate.
Okay, so we are halfway done so far. Do you have a fave?
Probably the chocolate orange, I think.
Yeah.
What about you?
I go with the salted lemon.
Oh, you like the salted lemon? Okay.
Yeah, very different. Okay. Next, we have what we believe is to be strawberry. Again,
We'll find out, huh?
yeah. Okay, so it looks like another
White chocolate.
white chocolate.
A little pink coloring. I do remember when we used to subscribe to the Boxu Japanese snack subscription box, they had that strawberry flavored white chocolate that was so delicious. It tastes like a fresh strawberry.
Yes, that was good.
Ooh, yeah, I can really smell the strawberry in it.
You know what this reminds me of?
What?
Strawberry Quick.
Oh, it does, yeah.
Yeah.
It does have that smell to it.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Boop. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Reminds me of it too. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, not as much of the fresh strawberry flavor that I remember from that one snack, but it does remind me of Strawberry Quick.
Yes.
If you haven't had Strawberry Quick, it's like a powdered mix that you mix it with milk. It flavors the milk to strawberry.
Right. They have a chocolate. I think
Chocolate.
they might even had a banana Quick.
You might be right.
But it's like a taste from childhood.
It is.
Mm-hmm.
That's a strong strawberry flavor too. Yeah.
It was good. Yeah, like it.
All right.
2 to go. So.
The next one, it looks like, I don't think it has anything written on it, but it looks like it could be a hazelnut. Oh, first I thought chestnut maybe, but
Yeah, that could have been it.
But you might be right. Interestingly, this is white chocolate too. We're both going, What do you think?
Maybe.
You think it is chestnut?
Maybe. One way to find out.
See, at first I was thinking, because remember when we go into Daiso and we got those chestnuts that we didn't care for. They were kind of like in some kind of a liquid, and they were a little slimy and
Yeah, cold, clammy, moist.
They looked interesting, but
yeah, they looked interesting. They did not taste interesting. They tasted. Yeah, maybe if you use them cooked with something, maybe they wouldn't be so bad. But as a snack, they were not very appealing.
Yeah. So we'll see.
Boop.
Something that doesn't taste like hazelnut.
You think it's chestnut?
I guess. I wish this one actually had the English translation on it. Might have to look that up and see what flavor they have. Because I'm thinking so many European chocolates have hazelnut as a flavor. I thought, oh, that's interesting that Japan has it too. But see, I initially thought chestnut just because we had seen chestnuts in Daiso.
Yeah. If you're aware of what this is, can you please let us know? It's not bad. I just can't identify it. So.
Yeah, it's very sweet.
Yeah. Not bad.
Just a slightly nutty flavor, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hard for me to identify because I'm not really familiar with what chestnuts taste like.
Yeah, not after that Daiso experience. Okay, we have one remaining Kit Kat. No, Tina is the coffee lover. Coffee.
It says for coffee break, I think.
Almost has like a little area you can write a little something like.
Oh yeah. Huh. You like write somebody's name and give it to them, maybe.
To my coworker, here you go.
Yeah, actually, a bunch of these have that.
Yeah, you're right.
Interesting.
Yeah. Okay, you'll be happy.
It's actually milk chocolate.
Yeah. No one is good is the dark chocolate with mint. That's good.
Yeah. Yeah, because for me, I was thinking, oh, with coffee, that should be like a milk or a dark chocolate, and it is.
Mm. What do you think?
Not too bad. It's not a real strong coffee flavor.
Yeah, I was just thinking it's kind of light on the coffee flavor. Or some of these have strong fruit flavor. It's not bad. I like it.
But yeah, I was expecting a bit more of a strong coffee flavor to it.
If I saw those in a candy dish, I would not turn them down. I wouldn't turn any of these down if they were offered to me. It was very nice of your coworker.
Yeah, it was really fun to try all the different flavors that we're not used to seeing here.
Yeah.
So now that we've tried all 6, do you have a favorite?
I do, but ladies first. What is your favorite?
You always do that to me.
I do.
I thought I might like the coffee one the best, but I don't know. I still might go back to that chocolate orange.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think I like that flavor combination a little better. Maybe the coffee one might be a second. I also like that salt lemon. Those were all really good flavors, I think. How about you?
I'm going to go with first, salted lemon. Second, the chocolate orange. Third place,
Strawberry.
brings back childhood memories of making strawberry milk with the quick powder. Yeah, that strong scent of strawberry. Yeah, it was nice. Yeah, so these are all good picks. Thank you.
Thanks again to my coworker Kelly for giving these to us and giving us the opportunity to sample some new flavors from Japan.
Yeah, thank you for sharing them with me. And you could have easily taken these to your car after work. And just,
I could have eaten them in the office and you would have never known that I even had them.
You could have had a bad day at work and just
down them all. I thought, oh, perfect. We can try these for a video.
That was very nice of you.
And perfect for sharing. There's just like a little section each for both of us.
That was very nice of you.
Yeah. So let us know in the comments, have you tried any of these flavors of Japanese Kit Kats, or are there other ones that you've tried? Because I know they have a lot of flavors out there in Japan. So let us know in the comments if you've had other ones. What are your favorites? Or maybe in your country, if you have Kit Kats of certain flavors, let us know what your favorites are. So if you like food unboxings and food reactions, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And until next time, bye-bye.
Bye.